Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can turn off read receipts on Messenger if you do not want anyone see your that you have seen their messages. So for that, I can show you how you can do it. Go to your Messenger and go to settings, and then you have to do is scroll up and you will see over here privacy and safety. Click on that and then scroll all the way up and you will see over here what people see. In this you will see second option, read receipts. Click on that and then you will see over here show read receipts. People will be able to see when you have read their messages. To turn this off, click on the toggle to turn this in gray color. So as you can see, this is like people won't be able to see when you had read their messages, and you won't be able to see when they have read yours. So that's it. That's how you can check it out or like turn off. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.